trying to find a phone. Look at these barbecue onions. Oh my god. Oh. Welcome to International City, Dubai. I've come to check out this place. Right, a lot of you have been telling me about International City. You've said, listen, the food's good, it's authentic, and the price is absolutely brilliant. You're talking about a 15-20 minute drive from downtown Dubai. The reason why the place is good and the prices are correct, because everybody that works in Dubai probably lives around here. So you've got different clusters. You've got Russia, you've got England, you've got Spain. I'm over at the Russian cluster. I'm checking out this place here. It's called Dyar Al Sham. It's a Lebanese Syrian restaurant. Let's go on in. Welcome inside to Dyar Al Sham, a Syrian Persian twist going on in this restaurant. Like I was saying earlier, International City has become a hotspot for foodies. Reason being, because local people that live here, right, and work in Dubai, they tend to eat here. Guys, I'm out trying to discover new food places. Do not forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell icon. Here comes the rest of your video. So the prices are way cheaper than you would expect in downtown Dubai, but not compromising on the quality of food. So you come to check this place out. I think without further ado, it's now time to order. Right, so first of all, right, I've gone for a lentil soup. Iranians, Syrians, they really like a good soup to begin their meal. That's quite a normal thing to do. Then we've gone for a massive, giant meat platter, which is their grill specialities, right? They don't mess about when it comes to Persian grills, so we'll come to check that out. Then we're going for a grilled chicken, like a baby chicken, and then we're going for a cold mezza, which will give us some hummus, it will give us some salad, a lot of selection, right? It's time to eat. There's salad, and then the salad. Look at this. This is quite typical how they would eat it, right? In Syria, Lebanon, Iran. Look at this. It's not like diced up stuff, right? What are you gonna do? You grab yourself and you do that with it, get into it and eat it. Literally like that. Just pick it up. Don't be scared. Dip it into some garlic sauce. Look at it. Even give me a chili. Now try it. It's spicy. Then we mix pickles. A selection of them. Okay. Oh, I'm dropping you all over the place. You gotta go for the garlic sauce. Look at this, not. I can see my soups here. Time to move on to that. Right, lentil soup. It comes with these bad boys here, these croutons. It's fried bread. That's what this is. Put some of them in there. Give yourself a drizzle of lemon. Okay. Don't forget, pepper. A little little hint of salt. There we go. Right, it should look like that. And then that is so warm. The crunch of the lentils itself, wow. It's so warming, so much. You're telling your body, get ready to eat. Perfect start. Look at this is my cold mezza. And if I'm not mistaken, look at the presentation first of all. Look at that. This is baba ganoush. I'm 100% sure, drizzled with this olive oil. I can see pomegranates. Barbecue aubergine. That's what that was. Baba ganoush. Right, let's see what the hummus is saying. The hummus has to be right. Creamy, delicious. Tabbouleh salad made with diced parsley, diced tomatoes. Top class. The zest, the lemon, the lime. Look at this. Just a bed of salad with them croutons again. Well, let's see if we can do this. Just come here. Just to have this. Excellent. I can't wait for the mix, you know. This is barbecue heaven. Let's go. I'm using my fingers. I've had enough with the fork and knife thing. Right, what's this first of all? Looks like chicken cup. But just look at that. Do I have to say anything? Look at that. Look how juicy it is. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. The chicken just melted in my mouth. Let me try the meat. This is ridiculous. Wow. You know I'm getting all excited about this, right? Look at these chicken wings. This is ridiculous. How soft this meat is. Let me show you this. It's like a little pizza. It's actually their bread with like a paste on it. You can do this, right? Roll it up. You go like this. Look at this. There's onions and the parsley. Look at this bad boy. It's like a mutton pizza. Oh wow. I'm trying to find a fork. Look at these barbecue onions. Oh, Come over here. You see my chicken, my grilled chicken? Oh. Wow. You got that much flavour. Barbecue. The salt is perfect. And look how soft it is from inside. Isn't it ridiculous? How soft the meat is. Unbelievable. Wow. You're gonna have to leave me alone. It's fine for me to eat. This is definitely a must. Right? It's a cinnamon tea. Warm selection. Just to digest the food. Because I've eaten that much. I need all of this. Right? Oh yeah. And they've even given me some watermelon. Look at this. I mean, the fruit in this country is so delicious. I like it. It's so sweet. I've got the whole hot and cold sensation going on in my mouth. I really like it. It's like a mouth freshener almost. Where do I start? The cold mezza, the salad, the barbecue. It was insane. It was absolutely insane. I could not fault it. Really top marks. Really nice place. We've got so many seating, excellent for families. Right, the waiters, everybody was so kind and so polite. Plenty of parking outside. You can get a taxi here for God's sake. It's not a million miles away from Dubai. You're talking probably about 50 quid for that lot. Okay, which if you had in Dubai, I reckon it'd be about 150. That's the difference. So it's really authentic food at affordable prices. Overall, this is what they are scoring. You're watching Imran and carry on watching the Beaters Reviews.